The sky was gray, and rain tapped steadily against the pavement. People hurried past each other on 34th Street. Umbrellas open, faces down. Ethan, a young professional, exhausted from a long, fruitless day of job interviews. Ethan's resume folder was soaked, and his hope. Even more so, at the edge of the sidewalk sat an old man named Henry, wearing a faded military jacket. An old man holding a cardboard sign that read, "Hungry, but hopeful." People walked by. No one stopped. Ethan did. Though he had little more than a few dollars left, he approached Henry and handed him his last sandwich from lunch. "It's not much," Ethan said, "but it's warm." Henry looked up, surprised. "No one stopped in hours." "Thank you, son." Ethan smiled and said, "You're welcome," then walked away, unaware of how deeply his small gesture would echo. Ethan had finally landed a job at a publishing firm. Life wasn't perfect, but it was steady. On his way to work, he passed the same corner where Henry used to sit, but he wasn't there anymore. Curious, Ethan asked a nearby vendor. "The old man?" "Oh, you mean Henry. He doesn't sit there anymore." Turns out he was a retired literature professor, fell on hard times, but someone helped him get back on his feet. Ethan smiled, warmed by the news. Weeks later, Ethan was invited to a community event hosted by a non-profit that helped the homeless. As the keynote speaker was introduced, Ethan froze. It was Henry, clean-shaven, in a tweed blazer, with a confident smile. "I want to tell you how a simple act of kindness changed my life," Henry began. "One rainy evening, a young man gave me a sandwich, but what he really gave me was dignity. That moment reminded me who I once was and who I could be again." Ethan's eyes welled up. Henry paused, scanning the audience. "And today," he added, "I stand here not just because someone helped me, but because someone saw me." After the speech, Henry approached Ethan and embraced him. "You may not have known what you did for me, but I've never forgotten. You changed my life." Ethan, now teary-eyed, whispered, "You changed mine too." From that day forward, they worked together on campaigns to inspire kindness across the city. One small gesture had sparked a chain reaction, proof that even the smallest act of compassion can change the world for someone else, and sometimes for you too. Moral of the story: sometimes a sandwich isn't just a sandwich. It's hope, it's dignity, it's humanity. Never underestimate the power of kindness. You never know whose life you're lifting, including your own.